Hello, my name is Dale Lee. I lead Career Service Department for Cornerstone Community College of Canada. From the Career Service Department for Cornerstone Community College students, for management program and tech program, we have very specialized career service waiting for you. Now, for management program, which includes customer service, event management, hospitality management, and international business management program, we start with monthly workshop, which goes from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we provide full job search and career preparation for any students coming into Cornerstone Community College, offered monthly. Once the students complete the workshop, each student will be assigned to case managers from Career Service Department that's gonna parallel academic journey of students until employment is found. For tech program students studying digital marketing, UI UX design, cybersecurity, data science, or web development program with Cornerstone, we have similar career service available for tech program students, but in different layers. First, in early stage of tech study, we offer Be Prepared, which is all geared towards tech students coming into the program. And halfway through the study, we offer what's called Be Competitive, and it's about building project experience through volunteering or client project experience as well. And towards the end of study, we offer a final stage of job search preparation we call Be Hired. Most importantly, I would like to talk about how we connect our industry-ready students from either side, management and tech program, with the job market. For management program, we do a lot of events where employers come to campus. We call it Hiring Week, where we have 6 or 7 different employers coming to campus to meet our students on campus, and job application happens through career service. And for tech program, we have tech volunteer opportunities where organizations again come to campus and promote the opportunity for skill development. And we have few design and technology showcase events where selected group of students or individual students showcase their work directly to the industry. So at Career Service Department at Cornerstone Community College, there are 7 of us working in the department at the moment. We're always focused on working with students throughout the job search journey, right from studying to all the way until students are employed. Of course, resume, career service, interview training, and even LinkedIn and project and portfolio review is all part of the necessary service. And we always assess how job search is going with individual students. If necessary, we make changes to job search strategy, target, maybe employment expectations, and we continue to work with students until employment is found. So just like any other departments or staff working for Cornerstone Community College, your success is also our priority in the Career Service Department. And we look forward to seeing you on campus or in any of our services offered to students. Thank you.